murire kurungi abantu mwena I wonder for this abantu mwena msimera hanga kubana umurungi kandi mbabaze neze biro byona ubwo nuweje dusomuhurira tindu mucyatindu muhango ndinganire nkese mono mwana warahamba wijo mu tukubagambire byo kutangaza mugire ngwe omchara Marcel Manzi kambe niwe nabanza omchara Marcel Manzi rugambwa owakozire byo kutangaza muri kabingo ko rabana bagumo hamuroreka kunyisubokoro mu rumo gwo buzira kubo mukora kwawe tukareba kwebebirwa mukama ntwongera no kusima we bare kwabura Evans bugamba ibirungi byo kombeka maka kubo mwana murunja huro kwabura kwishena nyina kandi omwana umugayikakiriza kwabura ubwo nuwe dusibya hawero coming visitors in this place. God does not change, is the same yesterday, today and forever. I love those who love man, those who seek me diligently will find me. I shall know the truth and the truth shall make you free. Kosi marhanga wa kiretera bajenya bargenshon dinazes especially ishakabshenya bijabebembi Evans na prof ya mkurcho mhande sibona mabare na byone mwaraba. Prof ya na Evans rhanga na bagambira now if you will be careful to obey the road you are God and follow his commands that I tell you to obey the road you are God will put you high above all nations on earth. Mureba prof ya na Evans bamurinkana kenyonyoza bwo mukorogo bufere bwabo burukwera. Evans rhanga na kugambira muri Yeremia 3:12 prof yo mtware cyo murindeje kandi otagire cyo wamwisa kureke cyara kugambira beri cyo wamukora. Prof Evans, I want to tell you the truth from God. Now if you will obey the Lord your God, all these blessings will come to you and be yours. Otherwise, Evans and Provi, love, joy, peace and happiness are all my wishes for you today, tomorrow and forever. Happy marriage, God bless you. But when you was having many words, but the time is over. God bless you.